All right, we're gonna do some hard pruning today. I've already pruned this tree a few times when we first lived here, and we made the apples a lot bigger, but we're definitely, as you can see, this middle plume is just too large, too massive, and we can't reach any of the apples up there anyways. And you can see we got a lot of water sprouts to deal with. The first thing we're gonna do is do some hard pruning. And we're gonna take out probably 1 or 2 of these centers here. So we're gonna have to get up there to really do a good view on it, but let's get up there and do that. All right, we have our trusty little Edo. This is, I don't recommend this model. When you go to use the tightener, I find that it just doesn't tighten the chain enough, so the chain always runs loose. So it's not my favorite, and I haven't tried any other brands, but if you have any other brands that you're really happy with, put that down in the comments for me, and maybe I'll take a look at it. We've got our trusty our pruning shears here, so we can get rid of some of this stuff that's in the way. And while we're up there, we'll do some water sprouts and or get rid of some of these straight up ones that are going straight up. And we also have our little saw here, which is going to help when this runs out of batteries. This is going to help cut some of the bigger limbs, and then we're going to use this for some other stuff here that might be a little over egg size. So whatever we got to do for that, we're going to keep that there. But anyways, yeah, that's my recommendation. I don't recommend an Edo, but it does help me so far, so we're going to keep going with it. So let's get up there, do some cutting. All right, so like I said, some of these upright ones, we got to get them out of the way because we need to step here. So we're just getting rid of some of these ones that are facing the wrong way. We don't want them coming back in, and we don't want them going straight up. So we'll get rid of these straight up ones for now, and then we're going to work on a large portion right above us. But we're going to have to take it down in pieces, because otherwise it's going to knock me out of the tree. Okay, so this piece right here, you can see it's rubbing into the next branch, and it's below, and it's getting in the way. So we're going to remove this whole branch, a little piece at a time. All right, you can see all these water sprouts right here. Now this is kind of going above and beyond the whole hard prune. Oh, sorry. So this is all the, these are the water sprouts right here. You can see they're going straight up. We don't want them. We only want ones that come off to the side. And we don't want ones going straight down either. So again, these are real easy to do. So you just get in there right here by the knuckle. Right there by that knuckle as close as you can, and snip her off. And that's the best you can do. In the spring, they'll come back up. You'll come and do a prune maybe once or twice in the spring and summer. And that's about it. So let's get a lot of this trimmed up here while we're here. And some of the stuff we can't do because we need a giant ladder, which is why I don't like these big trees. So this is how much we took off. This is all from today. All this. And then this is what it looks like on this side, and we'll go up on the other side. All right, so this tree is open and airy compared to what it was. Down there is our huge pile, obviously. But yeah, I just wanted to get you up close. This is like the hardest prune I've ever done. And I just took out all the water sprouts, anything standing upright, crossing over, damaged, pretty much. And two large pieces, 2 large branches, which are like right here. There's one of them, and there's the other right there. This is just the old pear tree that fell down. But yeah, that's about it. So just wanted to show you that. It's pretty easy peasy. Cut at the knuckle, get going. All right, we'll see you next week. Come back, we'll make another video. Stay safe.